There are two different types of Ananya. One is an investor, one is Ananya photography. So Ananya
Yeah.
photography is this, the one current slide. Ananya as an
Yeah.
investor is a person who will go on the exchange, buy and sell. Very
Yeah.
clear?
Yeah.
Great. Yeah.
This is an institutional
And what is
investor.
FIIs?
Or then
Yes,
institutional
institutional investor.
investor.
Perfect. So who are your FIs and DIs? Do you know? Don't take a guess. I know it's absolutely new to you, but can you think? Okay, what happens when the market cap falls? What changes?
The current market price is fallen.
Perfect. The number of shares do not change. P, PS. You just have to understand that it's not very complicated. It's very simple. You don't have to muck them up. You don't have to record them. I want you to understand it so you can apply it later on. Once you
Yeah.
apply it, then that's knowledge well used. With knowledge not used becomes garbage. The ratios, then I'll cover how do you build your own portfolio. I'll cover how do you measure your portfolio, how do you understand what's happening, where do you check all your stuff. I'll give you the websites, I'll give you the all the tools basically.